ekibaze kombekwa esente za school facilities grant
amashomero agatongozibweho kombekwa harume ryacu mu Kidongo primary school kandi anariza kumaraho miliyoni 5.8 dere rya nabo bare primary school rumareho miliyoni 5 nshanju
amashomero ashatu abiri gari kunu kibare rimwe riri kuri ya kibare piste kiri primary school Eby'obwegyese so kunu yakwiye mu Kidongo hamwe na Nyabubare.
When there is strong wind and maybe strong rainfall, sometimes those classes are not safe because they don't have windows.
amashomero aga obwahatanagaza kombekwa na n'obushaje kurwa mu office y'enganzi yihanga ahansi y'obushaje oburuku kwatorwaho district ezirukutuze mpunji
ezi projects ezi enkokumwazi horera ya Nyabubare primary school ine sente ezikurwa mu office of the prime minister ezeresere ezirikwingana miliyoni 5.8 ezeresere shomerere tuza kombeka classrooms mukaga utiro offices arimo ya head teacher arimo ya secretary we arimo staff room nandejo erije konka koranka ka store ako kubikamo ibitabo
bakatoa amasomero mu Kidongo primary school bakatoa Nyabubare primary school Eby'obwegyese bakatoa amasomero gandi asatu galika galikibali east aliyonkoba cyacho mu Uganda primary school
abahona bonjire batongoza kwishomero rya Nyarwe ya primary iryombeshirwe sente za SFG kandi rumazireho miliyoni 2 nshanju abebembeze n'abakuru b'amashomero basemire government ahabwo bushajici amakuru agagasha kwa Antone Atwine.